Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I haven't been on here in forever, but I'm back and I'm better.
Period.
But yeah, today I'm gonna be dyeing this blonde wig. This is so ghetto. Like I don't have anything else to keep it down on the mannequin, so I'm using a needle. But anyway, so yeah, it's pass me the box. So this blonde wig is 10 inches and I bought it from Allove hair. I think that's how you say it, or Allove, I don't know. Oh, but yeah, and it came with stocking caps, this one, and it came in this bag, and then that's it. And the shipping was really fast too. So yeah, this is what the box looked like. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use the Adore dye. I bought 2 of them. So I watch videos on people coloring wigs with coloring them pink, and they use cotton candy and a different color. I forgot what other color they used. I couldn't find the name of the color that she mixed it with, so but I know she mixed it with cotton candy and she didn't use it. She used something else. Okay, so I ran out of ideas on what videos to make, so that's why I haven't been posting, and I had like 0 energy and I felt like giving up, but I never give up. But yeah, like I said, I'm back and I'm better. And my birthday is in like 10 days. So for my birthday wish, I want 1,000 subscribers. That's not a lot. I just need 500 more. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. YouTube just mean. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment something nice, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so basically, so this is called the watercolor method. You're gonna use hot water, and then you're gonna pour the what's it called? The dye inside this, and then stir, and then you just put the wig in there, and then I'm gonna use the Got To Be spray to spray on the lace, so the roots, or whatever you call these, they don't turn pink too. So yeah, let's get started. I'm actually scared. I hope these colors mix well together. Okay, I'm gonna use this to mix it. I mean, you can use anything else, but I see people using this, so I'm gonna do it too. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, some hot water. Which one should I use first? Let me use the pink rose first. Oh, I didn't tell you which one I was using. So it's cotton candy and pink rose. 190 and 82. These colors are so far apart. The numbers, I mean. Alright. Should I pour everything? Oh my god, they're so pretty, but I don't think I want that color. So pretty. It's like, it's like really like neon color. It's pretty. See? Pretty, but this is way too red. I'm so scared. Alright, let me just touch like one part. I'm scared. I don't know. Let me just dip right here. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, here we go. Let me pour more cotton candy. It's now or never. It's now or never, guys. I wanted to see what the blonde wig looked like on me. No, that is way too pink. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. No! I gotta do like a highlight. It looked I'm just gonna put the cotton candy in a separate one and do it by itself because I don't think the pink rose is gonna work. That is way too pink. Oh, this is a disaster. You know what? Let's just dive right in. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Jesus. The wig is now ruined. The blonde, I mean. There's no going back. Oh, I wish I didn't add that color to it. Because now you can see, oh my god. See, you can tell the difference. Oh well. Oh well. Let's just hope when I straighten it, it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna wash this out. As you can see, like the first color that I use is still there. And I kind of wish I just stayed with the cotton candy and didn't mix it, but there's no going back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash it with shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna straighten it and see how it looks. So last night I fell asleep because I was tired, but all I did was wash the hair, rinse it out, and then I just let the wig air dry on this thing right here. And yeah, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna straighten the hair. And let me tell you what I think about the color. I wanted the whole wig to like have one shade of pink, but that didn't happen because one, I tried to I tested out a color to see what color it would be, and it was too pink. Well, too pink for me at least. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I don't want it to be that pink. I wanted it to be like this color pink, like everywhere, but that didn't happen. So yeah, I was trying to use hot water to get it out. I got most of it out because it was like way pinker than this. But anyways, yeah, this hair from Allove, it's really nice. It's soft, and it wasn't shedding at all like when I was washing it, because you know when you wash hair, wigs or hair, whatever, and like when you wash it, it's like knotted up together. Like this wasn't, like I could pull my finger through the hair and there was no knot. So yeah, I highly recommend it, and this is not a sponsored video, obviously. Just saying, this is just my genuine opinion because the hair is really nice. So yeah, I hope it looks good when I straighten it, and I hope it looks good on me. But anyways, I'm gonna do a separate video of me installing the wigs, so that's probably gonna be the next video that I post. So